never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
Hi friends, welcome to MLC Vlogs. Today my video is about new bend pipe and Yoshimura exhaust for my mini superbike QJ SRK 400. My bike is so smooth with original exhaust, and the superbike feel and sound is great, but the volume of sound is low. So I had to put a new bend pipe, removing original silencer, and put a new aftermarket exhaust. The exhaust I fitted was Yoshimura silencer and a 304 stainless steel bend pipe. Look out for the last part of video where pure exhaust and raising note of exhaust sound. Exuberant to hear. Sit back and enjoy. The exhaust note kicks in after 4,000 RPM. Zoom. SRK 400 is a head turner. The looks and sounds pull the onlookers. Hear the school children gaze happily.
The bike is similar to Mini Z900, and I don't have budget to buy one. This is a cheaper option for superbike.
It's quite nimble and rides like KTM 390. The twin-cylinder SRK is awesome.